two places where you lose money in a vineyard very quickly. One of them was when you lose your crop to frost, and that can be devastating. The other is when you lose your crop to fungal diseases. Frost can have a knock-on effect for 2 years in a row. Fungal disease probably just 1 year. We have installed lots of weather stations in a lot of the vineyards we monitor. We've had a couple of very lucky years, I think, recently, but we will get frost. And with global warming, we're looking at global weather chaos more than seasonal weather. So we can even get frost up to this stage in the year, which is the end of May. So it is possible. Firstly, you get different kinds of frost, and they can affect the vine in very different ways. So to having an ultimate solution is complex. Many systems with blowing air, moving air around, heating the air, making fog, spraying the vines with water, and so it freezes. I think probably for me the two systems that probably work the best would probably be the irrigation, but then you have to have a lot of water, like millions of liters of water, which you have to be able to have, or the Frolight that we're just partnered up with, which is great. What I like about the Frolight is you can put it in the vineyard, sort of plug and play. You know, you can turn it on, leave it, and it'll do its own thing.